Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change font style in Figma. So first of all, you just have to open your web browser and then you just have to type figma.com in the search bar. After that, you just have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Figma account. Once you have done that and once you are on the dashboard of your account, you are going to see all of the files that you have created previously in the recently viewed tab. So you simply need to select any of the documents on which you want to change your fonts. After selecting it, you just have to navigate to the top where you are going to see this section. So you simply need to click on it, and after that, by default you will be on the components tab. So you simply need to tap on plugins, and here in the search bar you will have to type font changer. Once you have found this plugin, you simply need to click on it and then it will automatically run. Now you just have to select the font or the number of fonts that you want to change. After that, you just have to select text or number of texts, the font style on which you want to change. After selecting it, you just have to right click, and here you will be able to see plugins. Now in the plugins, you will be able to see fonts changer. So simply need to click on that, and once you have done that, you will be able to see this type of pop-up where you are going to see the old font and it will show you all of the new fonts. So you just have to first select the old font, and after that in the new fonts section you will have to select the font in which you want to replace it. After selecting it, you just have to click on this replace tab, and then you can see that the font style will be changed. So if the video was helpful, then do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.